is a DC generator, converting mechanical energy into direct current electrical power through electromagnetic induction. The yoke is the outer frame. It supports the machine mechanically and acts as the path for magnetic flux. Field poles are mounted on the inner wall of the yoke. They carry field coils, which produce the magnetic field when current flows through them. The armature core is made of thin laminated steel sheets to minimize eddy current losses. It rotates inside the magnetic field. Armature windings are placed in slots of the armature core. As it rotates, an EMF is induced in the windings due to the magnetic field. The commutator is made of copper segments insulated from each other. It converts the alternating EMF into direct current. Carbon brushes maintain contact with the commutator, allowing current to pass from the rotating armature to the external circuit. Carbon brushes maintain contact with the commutator, allowing current to pass from the rotating armature to the external circuit.